So starting the test drive in this Cruze hatchback, the 1.4 turbo 4s in these were pretty peppy in these kind of size vehicle, the Cruze particularly, but also very efficient. You're getting like 35-40 miles per gallon, which is pretty good in a car like this on the highway, but also plenty of space in here as well if you need that. Now I love this orange burst metallic. I think it looks great. This black leather also has a nice look to it as well. It's just a really nice car, I think. And to have this kind of mileage on it, being 10 years old, it's crazy. Gonna give it a little pull here. Here we go. So great pulling power again for a 1.4 liter turbo 4. 2017 model year. I mean, this just is pretty impressive, I think. And again, something you can see, the best fuel economy this has gotten is 34.9 miles per gallon since it's been reset. So that's pretty impressive. And this is for 450, so I bet under 50 it would be better. Yeah, so it's showing for a 40 or 50 mile trip, the best this has gotten is 44.1 miles per gallon. But I want to give a huge thanks again to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee for allowing me to review this car today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that third link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever pre-owned vehicle you might be interested in. I mean, so far the car is driving great, feels good. And when I saw the mileage of this for the year, something told me that this was going to be in immaculate shape, and so far that's what it's proven to be. The paint looks great, the interior looks unscathed, all the electronics look new. This feels like a new car was in 2017, a new Cruze. And I just love the RS trim here as well. This was beautifully spec'd out. Let me just put it that way. I feel like no option was left out. It looks great, especially on a nice sunny day like today. And again, has every option you could imagine for a car like this. Now, if you want to talk about a steal of a vehicle, this is going to be it. This car has less than 62,000 miles on it. It's $12,000. And in today's economy, I don't even know if this thing will last until tomorrow, because this car is probably closer to 30, maybe over 30,000 new. And again, I'm sure this maintenance history is phenomenal. I didn't check the Carfax, but I'm sure it's good, because just based on the condition of the car everywhere else, I don't see why it wouldn't be. But I mean, this is getting, again, over 40 miles per gallon shown by the trip meter here. And in today's economy, especially when gas is hitting record highs, you want something that's going to get that kind of fuel economy, especially if it's just you, maybe you and a kid, you just kind of commute with this. But if you did need to have 2 adults up front, a couple kids in the back, it's doable. The space in here is impressive for this small of a footprint. But again, this one particularly, just how it's spec'd out is just, it's very classy. The only thing I might have done, and I don't even know if this is available, was go for like a gray leather. And the black looks good. I like the orange and gray, kind of how it complements these bigger wheels here. But that's nothing. If I'm gonna get one of these for $12,000, I'll take whatever interior. It could be red, I don't even care. I mean, this thing drives like new. I'm looking for things to complain about with this car in terms of the condition. I can't find anything. But I would take this over even the new body style Sentras all day, because I love this powertrain. I love the color, and I love the looks of these. These when I first started working in the automotive industry, these were just coming out, and I mean, just a beautiful spec of a vehicle, in my opinion. I think the 2016 Malibus, these Cruze Premiers, it's almost like a nostalgia that's associated with them for me. And I love an orange Cruze, specifically a hatchback. So all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2017 Chevy Cruze Hatchback Premier.